raise your finger, thumb. Okay, then now all okay. Let me join this meeting using my mobile also. I hope this is visible to you all. This screen is visible. It is recorded by the participants. Okay, now no issue. Okay, so let us start ideally integrated development learning environment. Okay, now okay, wait for the window. Okay, maximize it. Better we maximize this window. Very good. Okay, so what is our topic for today? Our topic for today is stack, because I told you, na, categorization we have repeated twice, thrice that data structure is, of two types, simple and compound. Simple example is array. Okay, and in compound it is created of simple combination of simple, data structure, and it is of two type: linear, non-linear. Linear stack, queue, and linked list, and non-linear tree is one of the example of that non-linear data structure. And if you talk about this linear, so now linked list and queue is not there in syllabus, and only stack is there, and one program related with the stack, that is uh, so much noise is coming from outside. Okay, what is the stack? One program is there, that implementation of stack using list. Okay, that is the only program in this particular chapter, so we will discuss that program after, and today after this chapter will be over. Okay, let me start. Let me take a new window, because we are there in the script mode. Okay, so better I write the name. Okay, we will execute this program. Yani ki this is implementation. What? Let me use in implementation of a stack using list. Implementation of stack using a list. This is okay. Now coming back to that, and it means we are going to start stack operation. Stack operation. Stack operation. Okay, so let us start with the beginning. So what we will do right now here, caps lock off, while true. While true means whenever the this is a particular loop material, we have to tools for that: looping, iteration, repetition of the program or task, that is for. And while for is used for when the number of times is predefined. Generally, in general case, the for is used where the number of iteration is predefined. Suppose 5 times, suppose 10 times, then we prefer for. If it is not prefix, then we better opt for this while statement. So let me write here: print, and within single quote or double quote you can write what we will do here is, that is stack operation. Okay, stack operation. Okay, this is stack operation, and what we will do, we will just write here either within single quote or double quote. We can write anything, it will be treated as a string. I think this is clear to you all. So let me write it here: one. This is push operation. Okay, push, one for push only. Why to write so many things? Okay, avoid writing too much things. Okay, now stack. Okay, stack operation, and very good, this is push. Okay, now write on the second operation. Yesterday I think I have told you that push operation is there. What is push operation? Is stack. Inserting an element is technically known as the push operation. And second operation is that, what is second operation? I am muted, otherwise I may ask this question. Okay, what is the second operation? That is pop. Pop means deleting an element. Okay, the stack, you all know that it works on LIFO property. What is LIFO property? This is last in first out. Okay, so what the element inserted at the last will be, okay, turned out from that particular stack. Okay, first, last in first out. Okay, now then next. Okay, three. push, pop, and peak. Peak operation, it means to display the top element. Okay. Peak operation in what? Peak operation is to display the top element situated in the particular list. Suppose we have inserted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what will be the topmost value? It must be 5. Okay. So this is peak operation. Peak operation means to show the element at topmost place. Okay. Then we will write this the fourth operation. That is what? Uh, that is, fourth operation. Better we give some space. This is formatting. It is not related to, program anyhow. Display. The display operation. What is display operation? Display operation will display all the elements of the, okay, stack. The display function, what it will do? It will display all the elements of the particular stack. And last option is this. In order to in order to close this, program, fifth one is for exit. Okay. So this is a, menu driven program, implementation of stack using list. And let us see now what we will do. While true, if we just leave this while true, true means it is correct. Okay, the condition is good. While and for checks for the condition. If it is true, it goes inside the body and it iterates itself. But if it sees true every time, it means it will go infinite times. Okay, so we have to, use some tools in order to break this particular looping. It means we have to use break statement for the fifth, operation, that is exit. So we will see one by one. This is int. Ch means choice. Better we write here input, and then enter your choice. Enter your choice. Okay, enter your choice means one for this, two for that. Okay, the better we give some space also in it. Okay, enter your choice. It's okay now. Okay, if ch double equals to 1, I think it ch if statement is clear, conditional statement, looping statement is already clear. Function, as a chapter we have studied, so I think function is also clear. We are using def keyword. Okay, we define the function, and we will define today, for the push operation, for the pop operation, for the peak operation, for display and exit itself. Okay, so we will define the function, different functions. Ch double equals to 1, it means we have to, what is the first operation? That is push. The push operation means we have to insert one element in a stack. Okay, so what is the stack? We have not even defined. So better we define the stack as stack. Stack equals to opening closing parenthesis. This is opening closing large bracket. It means empty stack. Stack is empty now. So what we will do? We will take one element from the user. Suppose ELE is the name of the variable ELE, and then we write here int. Then we are here input. We write here input, and then in the input enter an element. Enter an element. What is this element? Okay, element. Okay, so enter an element. Okay, so this is the, ELE, enter an element. Now after this, what do we have to do? After this particular, we have to call the push operation. Okay, push. What we will do? Just we will supply the two operands. Okay, first one is the stack parameter. It is stack, and second is the element. Okay, so what we will do today, we will define this particular push function. Okay, and in that we will send the stack and we will send the element. Okay, so now coming back to the definition of the, push operation. So likewise we will do for all the, operations. Suppose this we have written, just copy it, paste, and at the end we will write here. Now in place of 1, what it will become? It will become 2. Okay, and what will we do? It will do the pop operation. Likewise, better I, you know 3. This is third operation, peak operation. Then we will write the fourth operation. This will be treated as, display. and afterwards we will write the fifth operation, that will be exit operation. Now check the indentation, because we need to be very cautious in respect of this indentation in Python. Okay, because error in indentation will lead to the error in the program. Okay, so this is the second one. And what we will do, we will just call the pop operation. So for that pop operation, what we have to do, we will just send the stack itself only. ठीक है, बस हम लोग को stack भेजना है pop करने के लिए, element तो भेजना नहीं है कि किसको delete करना है, क्योंकि element will be deleted from the top. तो उसमें तो आपको बताना नहीं है which element we have to delete. Then we will talk about this peak function. What we are doing right now, we are just calling the function, and in this function what we will do, we will just show the topmost element. Okay, we are just calling the function one by one. Later on, just we will define the these function, then it will work. Okay, the fourth one is, what the fourth one, suppose display. Be careful with capital and small letter, because if we write here capital and in definition if we write small, then it will raise an error. I may show you how it is coming. And this, if CSW equals to 5, break means now this particular task will be break. Okay, this particular looping will break. Okay, no issue. So now I think we can, okay, just save it. Suppose just click on that particular and stack, just right here, stack operation dot py, no issue. Now suppose if I hit F5, just see, it will look like this. Okay, I think it is being seen by you. A stack operation, 1 for push, 2 for pop, 3 for peak, 4 for display, 4 fifth for exit. Let me tell you one by one once again. Stack operation, what is a stack? It is a LIFO based technology. And what do we do in it? LIFO, last in first out. It means the element that is inserted at last, in case of deletion it will be deleted at first. This is LIFO. Okay, stack. And Q is based on FIFO, first in first out. Now we are discussing the stack operation. What are the operation involved in the stack? For basically two operation. First one is push, it means inserting an element in the list. Second one is pop, it means deleting an element from the particular stack. Third one is peak. What do you mean peak? It means to display the top element, okay, present at the top. And fourth one is the display means to display all the element. It is traversal, it means simply we have to show every element available in the particular stack. And fifth one is a exit. Okay, so suppose if we give one option, it will give one, okay, element. It will ask an element, which element you want to insert. Suppose we I've given 10, then it will raise an error. What is the error here? Name push is not defined. So up to this, the program is good. Okay, okay. Now we have to take care about the definition of the function. So what is the error? Name push is not defined. Now we have to define the what we have called this na push stack and element, this particular function. So we have to define this def. Okay, and what we will write here, def push, take some variable for that. Okay, stk for stack and element. Okay, then at last colon sign, enter. And what we will do, we will write here stk dot append. We will write stk dot append. What is the append function in list? The role of append function in list is to add a value at the last. Okay, at the last, if you are willing to add some value, then what do? You just write list dot append function. So it will add the element at last. This is important. Okay, so this is stk dot append. You may give the right. Suppose you are willing to element, you can write other information also. Suppose stk print stk, uh, just suppose right here, uh, pushed successfully. Okay, pushed success successfully. Okay, push successfully, print stk. Okay, just save again F5 with the F5. Enter your choice. What do you want to do right now? One, it means push. Enter an element. What element you are willing to insert? Suppose 10. Okay. Append text exactly one argument. Zero is given. Okay. So we have not given the argument in append function. We have written only stk dot append. But what about the value? Be careful. Okay. So we have to write here what element. Okay. Append stk dot element. Then we will write here again what operation you are willing to do first, that is push operation. What element you are willing to insert, that is 10. Okay, just see. Now students, I think you are able to see this, the particular output pushed successfully. Just see, I am just going to highlight this. Push successfully 10. Okay, clear. So this is the first element we have inserted. Now again it is asking enter your choice. So suppose we have talked in earlier classes that stack is the LIFO based. We can insert plenty of elements, depends on the memory. Overflow is the condition where the limit crosses, but it depends on the memory, so no case for the overflow right now. Okay, so we hit the one. It means push operation we are willing to perform. Now enter an element, second element. Suppose we have written 20. Just see. So now just see, the second element is being inserted in it. This is 10 and 20. Now again enter your choice. Suppose again one we are willing to do. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. Suppose one. Again which element? Suppose 30. Just see. I hope it is clear. We have done one operation, that is push operation. So what is push operation? It is very simple. Inserting an element at the end is a push operation in a stack. Okay. Now I hope it is clear. Now just check the fifth one, because we have defined two. First one, what happened? Yeah, some message is there. Any problem with you guys? Because I have muted you all. I got some message from the class. The class? No, no, it is not there. Showing in notification. Okay, no issue. Now just check the fifth one. Just type here fifth. Fifth for exit. Just click fifth. Just see. Now the program is exit. Okay. So two functions, two operations are working very smoothly now. First one is the push operation, and last one is the exit operation, that is for 5. Okay, now coming back to the program. So now this push operation is over. Now better we talk about the second one. Okay, that is the pop operation. Okay, so suppose where to do, yes, it is pop operation. Suppose we just click F5 and hit 1, enter element 10. It is showing 10, and now we hit 2. So what it will give? It will give an error. Why? Because we have not defined the pop operations. Okay, just see, pop is not defined, so that is why this error is being raised there. Okay, so we have to now define the just pop operation first. Okay, so what we can do before just asking this pop operation? Okay, let us go through the definition first. Okay, because along with the pop operation we have to define one more operation. I am just going to tell you, that is stk. Okay, pop operation. And suppose there are three elements in a push operation, element 1, element 2, element 3. Okay, so now the stack is having suppose three elements. How many elements? Three. 1, 2, 3. Their values are 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now we have called the pop operation. It means 3 is deleted. Now how many elements are left? Only two, 1 and 2. Again we have called the pop operation. Now which element will be deleted? At the top it means 2. Now 2 will be deleted. Now what the element will be there in the list particular stack? So now it is only 1. Again we have suppose called the pop operation, executed the pop operation. It means 1 is also deleted. But in case the stack is fully empty, it means the stack is not having any element. Again we are just calling the pop operation. So what will happen? Which message it will show you? So for that we have to we have to create one function. And if what is that? That is empty. Is empty. Okay, opening closing function. What a empty stk. If it is true, then what we will write? Print stack is empty. Stack is empty. Okay, this is good. Okay, otherwise, if if is empty stack, if it is false, it means the stack is having some value, then it is the else portion. We have studied the already the if and else, no? Then what we will do, we will just use this print function and just write here deleted element, deleted element from stack is, now what we will do, we will just write here stk dot simply pop opening closing parenthesis. Okay, and it's okay, yeah, stk dot pop. Okay, deleted element from stack is stk dot pop. Okay, so let us execute this because it will show one error because we have not defined is empty function till now, but better we proceed with that. Suppose first element is 10. Again, we have hit the 1. It means again we are inserting value 20. Now the stack is having two values, 10 comma 20. Again, we have gained 1. It means now we can offer the third value, that is 13. Now stack is having three values, 10, 20 and 30. Now just pick the second option. It means pop. Enter the choice second. It means now we are willing to do pop operation. So just see, is empty is not defined. Just see the last error I'm talking about. Is empty is not defined. It means now we have to define the is empty function. So better we do that. Okay, suppose we have written here def is empty. Def is empty and just write here the stack stk anything. Okay, colon sign is empty. Check the spelling. It must be matched. Case sensitive matter is there. Na? Def is empty. STK. Now what we'll do? If STK double equals to this. If STK double equals to double equals to opening closing parenthesis. Okay, opening closing parenthesis. Then what does it mean? It means the stack is empty. Okay. Once again, let me remind you this. What we are doing is empty function. What this function will do is empty, as the name suggests, is empty. It will check whether the particular stack, it means the list, is empty or not. So we have sent the stk, it means the stack in this particular as a parameter, and now we are checking stk double equals to this is blank. Blank means empty. Is it empty? If it is empty, what we will write here, we will write here return true. Okay, no issue. Return true. What we will write here, we will write here return true, as we are writing here return true. Okay, else, in the else portion, what we will write here, return false. Okay, no issue. Just check the spelling of true and false. It must be first character in capital letter. Okay, so now it is okay. If stack is empty, it will return true. And if we call this function in the this pop operation, so what we have written is empty stk. Suppose this stack is this stack is empty, so it will return true. Then what it will print, stack is empty. Okay, and this is known as, better I write at last, this is known as underflow. Underflow, this is underflow operation. Yesterday I have discussed, I think, the underflow and overflow condition of the stack. Overflow, if you are attempting to add one element beyond its limit, that is overflow. And if we are trying to delete one element, if the element is the stack is already empty, that is underflow. Okay, so this is overflow and underflow. Now just see, again we are executing the same problem. Is empty is not defined. What is this? We have to click F5, save where we are. Hello, there is some issue right now in the system. Where we are? Okay, here we are. Okay. Why it is asking again? Py. Okay. So where we are right now, because there is some issue in this particular program. Okay, let me just copy all the text. There is some issue in this program right now. Window. Okay, we've written all. Push pop is empty. Very good. Just click here. Save. Save with a stack F5. It is at the bottom. It is, that is why it is not showing. Okay. Wait for 2 minutes. That is why doing program in this, script mode is good. Recent stack. Okay. What is this? This is not that one. Okay. Save as stack operation, only running out of time. Okay, no issue. Click yes. Stack operation. Okay, here we go once again. Okay, one, enter an element. Suppose 10 we have inserted. One again, it is asking for the element. Suppose 20, and one again. Again we have inserted 30. Just see. Now it is working well. Okay. So now the elements are 10, 20, and 30. Now we are going to perform the pop operation. Hit 2. Okay, stack operation. Just delete it out. Just see this particular message. This is deleted element. See this. Deleted element from stack is 30. Good. Okay, clear na? So once again, if you want to, pop again. So which element will be deleted? 30 is already deleted. I think we have 10 and 20. Just hit 2. Just see. Deleted element from the stack is 20. It is working very smoothly. Okay, very good. Now again hit 2. Okay, enter. Deleted element from the stack is 10. Okay, now all the elements are deleted. Again try to delete once again, because 10, 20, and 30, all these three elements are already deleted. Stack is now empty. Just see this, it is working very smoothly. Stack is empty. Underflow. Underflow means a condition where we are proceeding to delete element even the stack is empty. If the stack is empty and we are trying to delete an element, it is the underflow condition. Stack is empty, underflow condition. Okay. So now this is working well. So better we exit from this. So what number is for exit? This is fifth one. Okay, it is good. Now coming back to the program. Okay. Now we have done with push operation, inserting an element. We have done with the pop operation, deleting one element from that particular stack. And now it's time to discuss the third one, that is the peak operation. Peak operation is for showing the element at top. Okay, so better we define the peak operation. And in that we have to call the is empty operation again. Just see how. Def peak. Okay, def peak, and in that what we write, stack. Okay, then what we will do, again we will check whether if the particular is empty, and then we will write here stk. At last what we will do, return. Okay, is empty, then what we will do, just we will write here the same message, stack is empty. Stack is empty. Stack is empty. Okay, if is empty stk, then what we will do, we will just write here stack is empty. Okay, and otherwise in that case, in else portion, what we can write here, we will write print element What is this element? Element at top. Element top. Element at top of a stack. Better I write of a stack. Element at top of a stack. What do we write? STK large brackets. We have already gone through the indexing, positive indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, and minus 1, negative indexing. Okay, minus 1 from the last, likewise. So I have written minus 1 in that regard. Okay, I hope there is no doubt in it. Okay, so this is the peak operation. Now save this. Again, hit F5, enter choice 1, enter insert an element, suppose 10, enter choice again 1. Again, you have inserted new value, that is 20. Enter a choice again 1. eh, Again, enter a new value, that is 30. That is 10, 20, and 30. Now, what we have to show? We have to show the third operation, that is peak. Just see element at top of stack. Just see here. Element at top of the stack is 30. So now it is clear. Okay, it will be clear if we delete some element. Suppose we hit 2, it means pop operation. So what it will do, it will delete the top element. It means 30 will be deleted. Just see, deleted element from the stack. Deleted element from the stack is 30. 30 delete ho gaya. Now, suppose we are again willing to check the particular, operation. So suppose we hit here 3, then what it will show? 20. Oh my God, it is working very smoothly. Okay. Peak. What is the function peak? It will show the element at the top of the stack. Suppose we have again deleted this particular 20. Deleted element from the stack is, just see, this is the only program in this particular chapter, and this is the end of the chapter. Tomorrow, hopefully, we may revise it. Deleted element from the stack is 20. Okay, now just check the peak. It means again the element at the top, just see 10. Again, we are willing to delete the element from this particular. Deleted element from the stack is, this is pop operation where it is showing deleted element from the stack is. Now we had the 3, it means peak operation. So what it will show, stack is empty. So we have already 1 to 3 stacks at the beginning, and elements in the stack at the beginning, and we have deleted 3, 2, and 1. So now stack is empty. Choice fifth one. Okay. Now coming back to the so what we have done, we have done the first operation, that is push. We have done the pop operation. We have done with the peak operation. We have done with the display operation. No, we have to discuss the display operation, that is the left. And fifth one is already done, that is the exit. So now we have to call the display function. So let us see whether we have called this function. If CS double equals to 4, display, it is being called. And what do we have to pass? We have to pass that particular stack. Okay, clear. Now what do we have to do? We have to define this function. What is that? Display def. Oh my God, only 2 minutes is remaining. Okay, display std. Okay, display. But in case again, if is empty, the stack is empty. So what we will display? Nothing. So that is we are writing here. The stack is empty. The stack is empty. Okay. And in case it is okay for I in range, suppose so many elements are there. Len, what will we write here? STK, len of STK means the length of the stack. Suppose 4 elements is there, 4 minus 1, because ultimately 3 na. So that is why we are writing minus 1. It means up to 0 it will go, and minus 1, that is a step value, because we have to go like this, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, this is what. Now we will print the element. What we will print here? Display at last stki stk, and within bracket what we will do, we will write here I. Okay, save. And valid range, where it is showing the range error in for I and okay first. Okay, done. Suppose we have written 1, element is 10. We have written, 1, element is 20. We have written 1, element is 30. Now we have written 4. Just see. Now it is showing the, display. 30, last element second, 20, first element 10. Okay, so this is all about this particular program. I think this is sufficient for today, and this is the last program. Hopefully, I will just upload this video in YouTube channel in order for later use, because at once we have seen this, but later on you may need it. Okay, hello, let me allow you all. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now was it clear? Hello, was it
Yes, sir.
clear? Okay, so this was the only program left in this chapter. Okay, and this chapter is over today, and we will discuss tomorrow, hopefully, the revision of this chapter. Later on, we will study MySQL. Okay, from the next class. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much.